I'm gonna apply my Glowy serum first because I'm doing my makeup myself and I don't know how to do makeup, so I might do it rubbish. First time me trying out my makeup on myself. Let that rub very well. Look at how shiny my face is when I'm rubbing it very well. Okay, I think I'm done. And then you keep it first so it doesn't fall out. You add your SASSY+CHIC Moisturizing Foundation. Basically a foundation. Just add your foundation. If this is what you guys do after you add your primer, my face looks so glittery. A little bit of it there, a little bit of it there, a little bit here, a little bit here. And then you kind of blend the foundation. Kind of blend the foundation in your face. Am I doing totally? Okay, wait, and then you add your like an eyeshadow. My e.l.f. concealer. I think that's what I should have done before I applied anything, but I guess I don't know. I'm not a makeup pro. I'm an amateur. I'm amateur. So this is what you rub.
Here are some results.
Do you rub it down the jawline or
no?
Okay. A mistake. Okay. And then you dab it in. I don't have a blender. I guess I don't use blender. I couldn't find the blender, so I have to use my hands. You blend it in. Blend it over your fingers. And then we would have to, am I rushing this? No. Okay, you have to apply your brows, the brow gel. As you can see, I have cute brows, but just make it look so dabbing and blabbing. I'm going to use my mascara. I don't know where my eyeliner is or my brow gel is. So just take a deep breath and watch me kill my face. Oh my freaking god, what am I doing? Okay, it's done. You need to scream, you need to panic. Now what is this one doing? It's not even doing anything. Okay. This is reversible. It is. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. Okay. So I'm done with my brows. I know I didn't do perfect. I think that's it. So I have to drop back the brow to whatever. I have anywhere to drop it. And then what do you add first? Oh, your lipstick.
No.
Oh, your mascara. Okay. I have to add my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Better Than Sex mascara. Okay. And then you can see I'm adding it in the front and in the back. I'm using it as my liner. As a liner. Okay, and just look at just one eye. Look at one eye. Look into my eyes. Okay, do the other one. Ooh. Ooh. I need a lash coiler. Oh, damn. It looks like a falsie. Like I put a false. And then I forgot to add my eyeliner, and I can't find my eyeliner, so I have to use my mascara as an eyeliner. I have to go down and swirl. Down and swirl. Down and swirl. Down and swirl. Okay. This looks terrible. This looks like a mess. Oh my god, oh my god. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. The other part. Okay. We can do this. Make yourself look pretty. That was a quick call. I have to do my mascara. Why? No. I can miss it. That's perfect. Keep going. Yeah. Oh damn! This girl is hot. Damn. Okay. Then I go to my lipstick. I have good lips. I just need to make it. Are you ready? First of all, guys, look at how cute this shit is. Just look how cute it is. Look how cute this winner is. Oh my god, it looks so cute. It looks so cute. Look at the flower and look at the gold. Look at the crystal. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna apply my lips. Little lip filler. Okay, and then I apply my Mate, my LA Color Mate liquid lip color. What am I doing? I'm doing garbage. This is how you guys apply this. Oh my god, I've never done this before. I just watch YouTube videos doing this and they all look pretty and I'm not looking pretty. I look like someone's grandma from the 80s. What the actual freak winner. What the glorious fat winner. Bloody hell. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary Poppin. Ooh. I'm regretting all my past decisions right now. As I'm looking at myself in this mirror and doing this shit to myself, I just hate me the more I do this. Do I look like a can stereo guy? Oh no! Okay, we can get through this. Oh, my Fenty. Okay, now we're gonna go to our Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Mattemoiselle. We're gonna use our Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Mattemoiselle. Oh, French. Ah, oui. Au revoir. Oh, très bien. Ooh, à bientôt. This is so Frenchy. I learned French growing up, so this is so beautiful. Monsieur! This is so Monsieur right now. God help me, let this look beautiful. God help me. I don't even know what to do. I know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. F. Let's type. Press F for this. R.I.P. He just died. Okay. He died. My lips are strong. It just died. R.I.P. It's gonna get washed. And then I apply my Fenty Beauty baby lip. Baby lip. Baby. Oh no, I like it like this, but bye. I'm so tempted to use my hand. Shit, I just spoiled the beauty, the signature lipstick. I just spoiled it. But it's fine, it's Rihanna, so it's fine. And then we're gonna apply our Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder by Rihanna, my girl. Okay. What happened? This is a new stuff. How did everything pour away? Oh my God, did you get into a fight? The freak? And you apply it like a brush. Look at that shimmer glow. Look at that shimmer glow. I said shimmer glow. Shimmer glow. Glow. Well, don't mind my baby hairs. They look pretty, right? They look pretty. They look pretty to you because I look pretty to me. They sure do. They really sure do look pretty to me. That's it. One more touch and this is all going to waste. And look at me drop it. I miss you. Crap. All I can say is, please guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Put your comments below. Am I doing this right? Did I F this up? And please like and subscribe again to Pop Throat Wiener because I have to use this for my fund. I have to go to medical school. I need this money. Please. You don't want to see a dropout, right? A dropout college student, right? So